Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a booking code on SportyBet. The first thing I want you to do is actually come to SportyBet.com, and then here in the right hand panel you'll actually see your bet slip. If you have any games right here added, just go ahead and remove those so you can insert your booking code right here. Just need to type in the code. So I have an example code right here. So it's 4080EE. Now, this is case sensitive, so if you see anything here that is capital, I want you to enter that exactly as it is. So go ahead and enter that right here. So 4080, and then we have EE, make sure that one is capital. Then you just click here on load, and as you can see, this booking code has been added, and now it is here in our bet slip, right? You can see, and we can go ahead and enter our total stake, accept the changes, and then go ahead and place your bet. But that is how to go about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.